Buying a German luxury SUV is exciting, but it can also be a gamble. Some models give you world-class engineering and long life. Others drain your wallet with repairs, electronics failures, and maintenance nobody warns you about. So today, we're breaking down the 3 worst German luxury SUVs you should avoid in 2025, and the 4 best German SUVs under 50,000 that mechanics actually recommend. Worst number 3, BMW X5 from 2014 to 2018 V8 models. The BMW X5 is not a bad SUV, but the V8 versions, especially the 50i models, are some of the most expensive German vehicles to maintain under 50,000. Here is why mechanics call them wallet traps. First, the N63 twin-turbo V8. This engine is powerful and smooth, but it is known for major issues: high oil consumption, fuel pump failures, leaking injectors, valve cover leaks, and cooling system problems. On top of that, the turbos are mounted inside the V of the engine, which cooks everything around them. An oil leak repair can cost over $2,000. A turbo replacement can reach $5,000 to $8,000. The chassis and interior are great, the driving experience is excellent, but the V8 X5 becomes extremely risky when miles go above 80,000. If you want an X5 under 50,000 in 2025, the 6-cylinder is fine. The V8 should be avoided. Worst number 2, Audi Q7 from 2015 to 2018. Audi's late model Q7 is gorgeous, refined, safe, and beautifully made. But the early second-generation models have well-documented mechanical weaknesses. The biggest headache is the 3-liter supercharged V6. It is the same engine used across many Audi models, and while smooth, it has predictable problems: timing chain tensioner issues, expensive water pump failures, and oil leaks from the front main seal. The timing chain repair alone is an engine-out job that can cost $5,000 to $9,000. Then there are the air suspension problems, which can appear around 70,000 to 90,000 miles. One failed strut can cost $1,800 to $2,000. If the compressor goes, that is another $1,000. Electronics are also a concern. The virtual cockpit in earlier years sometimes develops cluster glitches, sensor failures, and MMI screen issues. The Q7 is a wonderful SUV, but the pre-2020 models under 50,000 are risky unless you know the full service history. Worst number 1, Mercedes-Benz GL and GLS from 2013 to 2019. This is the king of most expensive repairs in the German SUV world. The GL and early GLS models have powerful V8 engines, a beautiful interior, and amazing comfort, but they also have some of the worst long-term reliability in the segment. Let's break down the biggest issues. The air suspension system is extremely failure-prone. Struts leak, compressors die, height sensors fail, control modules fail. A full system repair can easily reach $6,000 to $10,000. The 7-speed automatic transmission is known for conductor plate failures and valve body issues. A repair can cost $2,000 to $4,000. The V8 engines can suffer from timing chain stretch, secondary chain tensioner failure, and oil leaks around the rear main seal. Then you get electronic failures, ride height malfunctions, infotainment glitches, failing tailgate motors, and more. Mechanics love how these drive, but they tell customers to avoid them at all costs when shopping under 50,000, and that is why the GL and GLS take the number 1 worst spot. Now let's switch gears. These next SUVs are the ones worth your money, the ones mechanics actually recommend. Best number 4, the Audi SQ5 from 2018 to 2022. The SQ5 is one of the best performance luxury SUVs for under 50,000. It has a 3-liter turbocharged V6 with 349 horsepower. It is fast, refined, and reliable compared to earlier models. The 8-speed automatic transmission is strong, the Quattro system is durable, and the interior feels premium. Here is what mechanics love about it. The engine is simple to maintain. It has fewer timing chain problems than the older supercharged version. The suspension is more reliable than air systems from Mercedes. Electronics are solid, and the brakes and steering are built for spirited driving. The SQ5 handles like a sports sedan, accelerates quickly, and still gives you comfort and practicality for daily use. Under $50,000, this is one of the best balanced German SUVs on the market. Best SUV number 3, BMW X5, xDrive 40i, 2020 to 2022. The BMW X5 xDrive 40i is the SUV that transformed BMW's reputation in the luxury segment. It's the moment when BMW said, "We can still build a true driver's machine, even if it weighs more than 2 tons." Let's break down why the BMW X5 became one of the 3 best German luxury SUVs under $50,000. 1. The engine that never gives up. Under the hood, you get the legendary B58 engine, a motor so reliable that people joke it was built by BMW's old engineers. This engine is smooth, powerful, shockingly efficient, extremely long-lasting. You hear the same thing from owners again and again. This engine feels bulletproof, and they're right. The B58 has almost no major weaknesses, especially when maintained properly. 2. Comfort meets athletic muscle. What makes the X5 special is the balance. Most SUVs choose a side, soft and comfortable, or stiff and sporty. But the X5 sits exactly in the middle. You can glide across the road like a luxury tank and then carve through corners like a sports sedan. BMW built this SUV for people who want everything at the same time. 3. A cabin that feels expensive. Every day inside, everything looks and feels premium. Real wood trim, soft leather, thick steering wheel, crystal clear displays, and BMW's iDrive system, which is still one of the best in the world. 4. It's one of the best under $50,000. Because for less than $50,000, you're getting an engine with sports car DNA, a luxury cabin-top safety, high reliability, and no major long-term nightmares. It's the perfect choice for someone who wants luxury and performance without sacrifice. Best SUV number 2, Mercedes GLE 350, 2019 to 2021. If the BMW X5 is the athlete, the Mercedes GLE is the luxury hotel on wheels. This SUV isn't trying to impress you with numbers. It wants to relax you. It wants to make every drive feel like you're floating through the world. This is German luxury engineering at its purest form, the smoothest ride. Under $50,000, Mercedes built this SUV with one idea: make it more comfortable than anything else, and they succeeded. The suspension absorbs bumps like the road isn't even there. If you drive with family, if you drive long distances, if you want peace and quiet, the GLE beats almost every competitor. 2. One of the best luxury interiors ever made. 2 giant screens, ambient lighting that feels like a night lounge, silky smooth animations, and materials that feel handcrafted. The GLE interior doesn't just look luxurious, it feels luxurious every time you sit inside. Many buyers say, "I didn't choose the GLE, the interior chose me." Older Mercedes SUVs became complicated and expensive to maintain, but the GLE 350, with its 4-cylinder engine, turned out to be one of Mercedes's smartest decisions. It's not a performance monster, but it is stable, efficient, predictable. Mechanics even recommend this model because it has fewer failure points. It's simple. No other German SUV under $50,000 gives you more luxury per dollar. This SUV feels way more expensive than it actually costs. You buy this if you want comfort, calmness, and class. Best SUV number 1, Audi Q755, Premium Plus, 2019 to 2023. The ultimate all-rounder. The undisputed king. The most complete package. The German SUV that checks every single box without trying too hard. The Audi Q7 is the quiet worker of the luxury world, not the flashiest, not the loudest, but the one that almost everyone ends up keeping the longest. This is the SUV that dominates real-world ownership. 1. A perfect mix of power, comfort, and control. The Q7 doesn't feel like an SUV, it feels like a luxury sedan wearing an SUV costume. Audi's legendary Quattro system gives it incredible stability, better traction, better handling, and a confidence-inspiring driving feel. It's one of the rare SUVs where you actually want to drive, not just sit in traffic. Audi engineered the Q7 like a tank. Not just strong, smart. It has some of the best crash test scores, strong body rigidity, extremely stable emergency handling, advanced driver assist systems. Families love this SUV because it feels secure in every situation. 3. The interior that ages the slowest. Some luxury SUVs age fast. The Q7 does not.
So there you have it. The 3 German luxury SUVs under 50K that you should avoid at all costs. And the 4 that offer real reliability, real value, and real engineering strength. If you choose wisely, a German SUV can be one of the best driving experiences of your life. Choose wrong, and it can become one of the most expensive mistakes you ever make.